Hi, I'm Greg Serback, and I'm one of the librarians at Millersville University Library. I'm going to be showing you how to use particular EBSCOhost database to search for articles about natural disasters. If you go to the library website, which is library.millersville.edu or www.library.millersville.edu, and under the Finding Information category, the yellow menu, if you choose Articles and Databases, the first link, you'll see a list of subjects, and one of those is sociology. So choose sociology. And then once at this page, you'll find a particular database called SocIndex, SocIndex. If you want to choose SocIndex, it's an EBSCOhost database, so it might look familiar to some of you. By the way, if you're off campus, after you click on SocIndex, it's going to ask you to log into your account. You can log in using your library ID, which is found on the back of your university ID. That number is also found inside of MyVille. You can alternatively log in with your MyVille account information, which is the same that you use to log in to your email account, your Millersville email account. So if you're not familiar with those, if you're off campus, you'll need to make sure you take care of that. Okay, now let's get back to EBSCOhost. What we're doing here in SocIndex is doing some searching for natural disasters. One thing that I will say about scholarly research is that because it is a rigorous publishing process, you will not find scholarly articles on recent disasters. So the tsunamis in Japan, there will be basically no scholarly articles on that yet. The earthquakes in Haiti last year, there might be a few scholarly articles on that because it's about a year ago. So you might have some starting to crop up. But I'm going to go back even further and do some searching on the tsunamis that happened in the Indian Ocean in 2004. Okay, so we have 316 results, and we are looking at mostly articles from academic journals, and we'll talk about that in a moment. 316 results is not too bad, but we actually want to get it down to, I would say, an even smaller list of results. The more concise and relevant list of results that we can get, the better off for you, because you don't have to scan through hundreds of results. And so you can do that in a lot of ways. You can add additional terms to your search, and that adding terms gives you less results. You can refine your results over here on the left hand side by indicating publication dates or peer reviewed journals, and all of those are useful. The one that I find to be the most useful, and most students aren't aware of, if you scan a little further down the screen, you will see subjects are able to be selected. If I select natural disasters and say social services and then update my list, I'll get only 56 results as compared to over 300. And if these are subjects that make sense to me and are relevant to me, I've really just done myself a big favor in narrowing my focus very quickly. So let's talk about the results. What we're looking at are articles from academic journals mostly. Right here we have the title of an article followed by the author's name, the name of the journal, page numbers and volume and year and such, an abstract, and in many cases the full text of the article will just be one click away. So this article from Geographical Journal on the Indian Ocean tsunamis, and specifically I'm noticing the socioeconomic impacts that seems relevant for your class, would be available just one click away. You will at times find some articles that are not available in full text, like number 7 here. Instead of saying full text, it says request it. These items are available to you. You just have to follow the prompts after clicking on request it. We'll get them from another library for you and provide it to you electronically. So just real quick as we wrap up here, I want to click back on the University Library website, click on Ask a Librarian, and point out the place where you can get help. You can call or text us here, email at this number, or even chat with us. If you'd like my contact information, click on Visit Us in Person. And I am Greg Serback, and my office hours and phone number and email address are on this document. Good luck, and I hope to hear from you.